Telugu speech that I can give. So let me speak in English. First, I would like to thank my committee. Last 2 years, they have been really helpful. As a team, we really made a difference. So I want to thank them first. I also want to thank Karnam Garu and Raman Abu, who has been helping us a lot as a backbone for Tarangini. So thank you to them. So when they asked that I have to say something of Natyashala, so I've been thinking last 2 years, what did I achieve being in a committee? So I thought my passion is been a dance and also video making. I realized I learned 3 different video making softwares and established Natyashala. So I'm really proud of it. When I gave the concept of Natyashala, the first question was asked is, there are choreographers, there are groups being formed, then why we need this Natyashala? But my intention is, there are several hidden choreographers, especially the teen choreographers, and also there are kids who want to participate but they never get a group because they don't know many of them. Some they come so new to Cincinnati, they really want to participate. Then for them, I thought I can bring all together at one place where choreographers, it gets competitive and we get to see more quality program, and we give chance to all the kids here. Most importantly, I want to say is moms. Like last 2 sessions I have been running the Natyashala, and I have seen it's 98% is only moms who are supporting the kids in the dance. Big applause for them.
Hope to see dads next time. Dads are supporting moms.
Costumes, I have been looking at all the WhatsApp messages. It's the moms who are like looking into different options. Only like one group I saw, there is 1 or 2 dads who are only talking about the practice sessions, when to drop and all, but nothing about the costume. So here I want to say that all moms come forward. Everybody has a talent and you have a lot of creativity which you don't realize until you come forward and try something. So Natyashala wants all the moms who can do some choreography, like all the teenage kids, and do some costume ideas. So we are looking to make a big team here in management, in the admin side and the costume side. So please come forward, email us, and we'll make a big team here. And next Tarangini, there will be much more quality programs. And all teenagers, it's a challenge for you guys. Come forward, to be creative and come up with different choreography. And I really want to mention this. I've been saying that I have 2 kids and they encourage me in everything. Even my husband started encouraging me a lot these days. Thank you so much. And my friends, like last 16 years, all my friends, they have been supporting in my dance passion. Thank you so much for that. What I wanted to mention is now that we are aging, fitness is so much important. So I encourage all the ladies, even men, come do some fitness work. So I started like ladies Zumba Bollywood workout, and I have seen so much of support from all the ladies. Thank you so much. I have included the same thing in the Natyashala, so you guys will come do the fitness with me. If there are instructors, please come forward. You want to support the class, you're welcome. So contact us at natyashala@tarangini.org. Thank you so much.
Happy